So, welcome back to my channel, Fun and Learn with Chrysanne. So, I have this small chessboard and it's good. But I was wondering, is there any bigger chessboard? So, I asked my parents, is there any bigger chessboard? But they didn't tell me anything. So, one day I got a surprise and see this, I got a bigger chessboard. It's much more bigger than the other one. So, I'm very excited to open this. Are you excited to open this? So, let's see how big they are. So now let's open it. I am very excited. So let's see. Oh, so wow! Look, it's a matte chessboard. So now let's see what's inside. How do I open this? This is so. I did it. Wow! Look at this. Look, the chess pieces are here, and this is the board. See. It's a very big board. Let's take it out. There we go. Look at this. Look at this board. Mat. But it's also a board we can play on. These are the white pieces. Look much bigger. And these are the black pieces. My God. These pieces are so big. Oh wow. These are such big pieces. Wow. Let's see the other one. Wow, they're all so bigger. Look at them. It's so many times bigger than this other knight. See, this is so big. Put all the pieces in their places fast. This is such a big board. I had to take it down to arrange them. So let's start arranging them. So the pawns always go on the second rank. Okay, that's done. Now the rook. 2 rooks and 2 knights. And then also don't forget the 2 bishops. Then 1 king, where is it? 1 king and 1 queen. And do you know the fun part about this chessboard? You can turn it into a bag also. See, you can, oh my gosh, you can turn it into a bag also and take it anywhere. See, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.